Mathematics is the language with which God has written the universe. The book of nature is written in the language of mathematics. Mathematics is the key and door to the sciences. Passion is the genesis of genius. To understand the universe, you must understand the language in which it's written, the language of mathematics. We cannot teach people anything, we can only help them discover it within themselves. Measure what is measurable, and make measurable what is not so. Nature's great book is written in mathematics. You cannot teach a person something he does not already know. You can only bring what he does know to his awareness. All truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. Where the senses fail us, reason must step in. Two truths cannot contradict one another. The Bible shows the way to go to heaven, not the way the heavens go. Knowing thyself, that is the greatest wisdom. God is known by nature in His works, and by doctrine in His revealed word. The greatest wisdom is to get to know oneself. Wine is sunlight, held together by water. You can't teach anybody anything, only make them realize the answers are already inside them. In questions of science, the authority of 1,000 is not worth the humble reasoning of a single individual. By denying scientific principles, one may maintain any paradox. The Milky Way is nothing else but a mass of innumerable stars planted together in clusters. It is a beautiful and delightful sight to behold the body of the moon. You may force me to say what you wish, you may revile me for saying what I do, but it moves. Nothing occurs contrary to nature except the impossible, and that never occurs. There are those who reason well, but they are greatly outnumbered by those who reason badly. If you could see the earth illuminated when you were in a place as dark as night, it would look to you more splendid than the moon. Who would dare assert that we know all there is to be known? Science proceeds more by what it has learned to ignore than what it takes into account. Scripture is a book about going to heaven. It's not a book about how the heavens go. It is surely harmful to souls to make it a heresy to believe what is proved. They who depend upon manifest observations will philosophize better than those who persist in opinions repugnant to the senses. We must say that there are as many squares as there are numbers. Nothing can be taught to a man, only it's possibly to help him to discover it inside. In the sciences, the authority of thousands of opinions is not worth as much as one tiny spark of reason in an individual man. Who would set a limit to the mind? Who would dare assert that we know all there is to be known?